Hello everyone, I am Valencia Fernandez. I am studying in B.Ed first year at KLE Society's College of Education, Ankola. Let us talk about the topic relationship of commerce with industry. Here is the meaning of commerce. The activity of buying and selling, especially on a large scale. Social dealings between peoples. Then, meaning of industry, group of productive enterprises or organizations that produce or supply goods, service or source of income. Examples for industry: extractive industry, manufacturing industry, construction industry, and service industries. Now we will see the relationship of commerce and industry. First one, industry and commerce are closely related to each other. For example, industry provides goods and services which are distributed through commerce. No commercial activity is possible in the absence of industry and production. Second one, industry cannot exist with commerce and commerce cannot exist with industry. Third one, industry is concerned with the products of goods and services and commerce arranges its sales. But the actual operation of sales in the hands of trade, so they cannot work independently. Fourth one, industry is all about the production of goods, whereas commerce focuses on the distribution of goods and services. Industry implies all the activities that are concerned with the conversion of raw material into finished goods. Fifth one, at the same time, industry and production cannot work unless the goods and services distributed among consumers through commerce. Therefore, industry provides the base of commerce and commerce serves as the backbone of industry. Sixth one, industry is concerned with the processing of raw materials into finished products that reaches the customer. Commerce is concerned with the exchange of goods and services for which is done on a large scale. Number 7. Industry represents production part of business activity, whereas commerce represents distribution part of business activity. Number 8. A huge capital investment is required to start on industry. On the other hand, commerce requires comparatively less capital investment. Number 9. Industry is an economic activity while commerce is a business activity. These are the relationship of commerce with industry. Conclusion of relationship of commerce with industry. Industry and commerce cover all the aspects of business. Industry looks after production activity of business. On the other hand, commerce looks after the movement of product from the source of location through distribution channels such as wholesalers, retailers, distributors, etc. to the final consumers. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.